Hello everyone, we're back. My name is Taylor. I'm a physical therapist with John Getz Physical Therapy and Innovative Physical Therapy. And I hope you guys got a chance to practice some of the stuff for the cooking and cleaning to help decrease some of your back pain. If you did and it helped, let us know. We'd love to hear success stories. And if you're still having pain, remember, give us a call. But we're back with part 2, and today we're going to talk about vacuuming, right? I hear this all the time: back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. If you've got a big house, or even if you've got a small house and you're doing a lot of vacuuming back and forth, what we see is people will tend to have pain, and a lot of times what it comes from is really just overreaching, right? So one of the things that we see a lot of is when people reach out, they're trying to cover as much ground as we possibly can. That gets the job done quicker, and quite frankly, we're a little lazy, right? So in order to combat some of that, we just want to not overreach, and what we want to use is our big strong muscles. Just like we talked about last time, we want to use our legs to help us. So the wrong way to vacuum is to keep your feet together and reach way long, because what that does, that puts a lot of stress on your shoulder, puts stress on your neck, puts stress on your back. So if you're having back pain, the next time you vacuum, what I want you to do is just try this. So what you're going to do is just, you can keep it close to you because we're much stronger when it's closer to us, and then just step into it, right? And I can step in, and I can step in, and this way I'm not reaching too far. I'm not putting any stress on my neck. The muscles in your neck should be nice and quiet. My back is not overreaching, and I can cover a lot of ground by going back and forth. It may take you a little longer, but you won't have pain. So if the pain is bothering you that much, take a little extra time, use your legs, vacuum without pain. If you have any questions, or you try this and it still doesn't give you any relief, well then chances are there's something else going on, and we help people all the time that have pain with cleaning, hence why we're making this series. Let's get you cleaning the house without pain. Let's start by taking little steps by vacuuming, and eventually we'll get to the point where you have no pain anywhere while you're cleaning the house. So if you have any questions, give us a call. And if you like this video, let us know. If there's something else that you want to hear about, let us know, because honestly, we're in it to help you. Bye everyone, we'll see you next time for part 3. We're going to talk about sweeping and mopping next, okay?